friends, I am Prasad. Today I am going to show you an AND script to copy files from source to destination based on availability. The script verifies for the availability of two files prior to copying all the files with the matching pattern, that is star.text. So before we're going to create script, there are certain prerequisites. Like we need to download the AND zip file from the Apache website, and here it is where I have downloaded, and this is the bin path where the actual AND file resides. So we are going to set two variables, namely AND home, which is the path where I have downloaded the AND file, and then the path variable wherein the bin of the AND file would reside. So before proceeding to the script, I have also created the file copy.properties file in which the source and the destination folders are present. The file should be copied from the source folder to the destination folder. So now we are going to proceed with the script. Before that, I am going to set the language preference to XML, and this is a Notepad++ editor. I have used this for the sake of simplicity. So here we go with the script. This is the starting line, the XML declaration. I am going to use the XML version 1.0, and I am going to name my project as file copy, and then the default would be file copy, which is the default target. So I'm going to put all my stuff in this project element. So I'm going to use the file copy.properties in order to fetch for the source in the destination location. So I'm going to use the property element, the property of file location. So this is the location of the property file, and then the name. So now the default target is the file copy, so I'm going to create that target. So the target name is file copy, and then this depends on the availability of the two files. So I'm going to check for the second file availability in this default target. So this depends on second target based on property second.file.com. So if this is found, then I am going to copy all my files from the source to the destination. So I am going to use copy element with the attribute to directory, which is the destination directory. So I am going to use the file set element with the directory as the source directory, and then I am going to include all files which match the text pattern. So once this is done, I would echo a message to the user stating all files copied. So here here it depends on the second target, so I'm going to create the second target. So this in turn depends on the first target. And on the property first.file.com. So here I'm gonna echo a message to the user stating that in second file check lock. So here I'm gonna check for the availability of the second file in the source drop zone. File name would be second.txt, and if this file is found, I am going to set the property second.file.form, and if this file is not available, then I am going to use the fail task on the property second.file.form with the message second file not found. So I'm gonna repeat the same for the first target as well. By minor changes, so the name would be first, and this would depend on nothing. So here I'm gonna print in first file check block to check for the first file availability, and if found it would set the first.file.form property, and it would fail in case the first.file.form property is not set with the message first file not found. So this completes my script. Now I'm gonna save the script with the name file copy.xml in the demo folder. So the file is there. So here is the file. Now I'm gonna execute this file here with the AND command. So I'm gonna use the AND build file. So we placed no files in the source folder, so here it says that the first file is not found. There are no files in this folder, so I am going to create the first file. So I am going to execute the script again. So now it says the second file is not found. So I am going to create the second file. In addition, I am going to create one more file, two more files, one with the name the test.txt, which is the test file, and another file with a different extension as not required with an extension of ABC. So it says we want to make it unusable, then click on S. So now I'm gonna execute the script. For that, there are no files copied in the destination so far. So I'm gonna execute the script again. So here it says in the first file check log, the second file check log, copying 3 files. As we have seen, there are 3 files copied in the destination which have the extension as .txt. So this completes the video. Thank you friends for watching the video. Have a great day.